aquaculture, fish hatcheries, and ornamental ponds. GCLs are a low-cost replacement for compacted clay soil and are quicker to install using bentonite that, when hydrated under confinement, swells to form a low permeability clay liner with the equivalent hydraulic protection of several feet of compacted clay. Here's an example of how easy the installation is using a Thermalock geosynthetic clay liner. Excavate the area 12 inches deeper than your finished grade. Make sure the subgrade is free from all rocks and debris. Compact your subgrade until there's no visible rutting. Make sure the equipment deploying the product is not creating any voids where the liner bridges. Take note that any slope greater than 7:1 must have an excavated anchor trench. The non-woven side should be facing up in order to maximize shear strength characteristics. If possible, all panels should be rolled down the slope, and that flat areas do not require any particular orientation. Geotextiles are marked with minimum and maximum overlap lines, which make a 12-inch minimum overlap on sides. Where one roll ends and another begins, you should have an overlap of 24 inches. Sprinkle a 1/4 pound per lineal foot of sodium bentonite on the overlaps to seal them. Finally, place a soil cover at a depth of 12 to 24 inches, free of sharp-edged stones greater than 2 inches in size. Soils should be placed with low ground pressure equipment, avoiding sharp turns and sudden movements. Please note that if the slope is greater than 4:1, the soil should be pushed up the slope to avoid tearing the